4-inch corrugated, 6-inch corrugated. Let me show you a really great coupling that you can make yourself out of the pipe. Doesn't cost anything, and you can put this pipe together. I've had several comments about running 6-inch pipe, and would this idea, my makeshift coupling, actually work. So we cut off a 6 or 8-inch piece of 6-inch, put a slice down the middle, and then we're going to compress it as tight as we can. Take that compression and slide it into one side of the pipe. About halfway is good. Try to keep these ridges lined up. Then we'll do the same thing, compress it, and then we're going to slide it inside the other side. And there you go. Looks like a regular piece of pipe. So this is extremely strong. You're not going to pull this apart. Okay, this is 4-inch pipe. I'm just going to cut a little piece. This is an old piece. Cut off about 6 or 8 inches. Slice it right down the center. Line up those ridges and compress the pipe as far as you can. Take one, whoops, as far as you can, and take one side, slide it into the pipe that you're working on. About halfway is good. Do the same thing on this side. We need to compress it again. And if we just push on it, compress it, push on it, there it goes. You can line that up if you want. But yeah, this is super strong. It's not going to come apart. No matter how hard you pull on it, it won't come apart. Have you seen the new NDS catch basin? They actually have a new ad on YouTube. A couple-minute long video talking about the new things they've done to their catch basins. They must have seen my $15 catch basin saves you so much money video, because they really did change a lot of things on their catch basins. Watch for that video coming up soon. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.